my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how to do face mask with the glue gun. Easy 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we have to start. What it is we're going to make a little mask. Whoever doesn't have sewing machine, we're going to do it with the glue gun, very easy way. So first you have to cut a material size of your hands. This is from your nose to your chin, and then you put your finger out from your cheek to the other cheek. This is the way you measure it. You don't have to have a ruler or anything. This is your face measurement, it is. So what you do, you cut another piece. This is the microfiber material it is. You can do very nice cotton materials too. So this little piece of material, what we have to do, we have to glue it. And after we do it, you can put a wire. You can have a pipe cleaner. You can have a grocery wires, anything it's soft, you can buy it. While I'm doing this, because after a long time when you use it, it gets old and it will break and it will get very, very loose. So you can always put it in and take it and put new one. It will be, you can have it always hard one, good one. So this is the glue gun. What you have to do is you have to just go straight. There you go. And this will glue very, very nice. And let me turn you the other way. Just make sure that it doesn't go too much in the middle because your wire has to go there. And then let it sit, let it dry for a few minutes. Any kind of wires, like I said, like this, you can buy it, you can get it from grocery store. I'm sure you will have at home. Electric wires, anything. You can bend anytime you want, and once you're bending, you're opening, it will get old. It's time to throw it away because after it breaks, you need, or loosens up, you need new one. And then you take your rubber band, and the rubber band, try to make it a size your hands, because from here to here, it's gonna bend it and it's gonna go behind your ear. So this is your size. First, you glue both sides. You put a little glue here, put your rubber band on, and twist it. Let's put the other side, a little bit here. This is very, very good and it's very practical. If you don't have sewing machine, it will work as good as sewing machine. And the other side the same way. And here you put the rubber band and you fold it. Here you put the other side and you fold it. Let it stay for a few seconds. What we have to do is, just like an accordion, we have to fold it like this. There, you make it like even both sides, and here you will have your mask easy way. We're going to put the glue here. Just put it and twist it. Put here and twist. Put here and twist. And you hold it for a few minutes so it will dry faster than sewing. You fold here. You don't have to worry how far, how close you do, as long as you do it just like an accordion. This is fast way to do it. You pull it. This is the place that we have to put the wire. If you want, even you can put it from outside, a little drop here between the accordions. Okay, here I want to show you now. It's very, very much dry. It's very firm, durable, strong. And now I'm going to use this on my face so you can see how good it came. So this is the way it's gonna look on me. See this wire that you have it? You will fold it on your nose. You can wash this and then you can put it back, a new wire or any wire that you want, or if it's still good, keep the same thing. All right, well, thank you for watching. I hope that you'll try it because the sewing machine, maybe you might not have it. This is the easy way to do. Thank you again. Bye-bye.